So this is a V-Guard UPS Slender Plus 600, and let's open this okay, we can open this. So this is the warning: before initial use, recharge the UPS battery for 8 to 10 hours to get the required backup. And these are the details of the model number Slender Plus 600. The input 220 to 240 volt AC, and the output, the capacity is 600 volt ampere, 360 watt. And this is the front view of the Slender Plus 600, and this is the power switch. We can turn on this switch. This is the way to turn on the UPS, and if you want to turn off this UPS, you can do like this. This is the power cord that we should be connected to the charging socket. And in the back side you can see 1 2 3 4 we can connect, and in this box we can also see a warranty card. So here it is written 2-year warranty for UPS and battery. Okay, the specification is model capacity. You can see here the working range 140 to 300 volt AC, and the output voltage. Battery is 12 volt, 7Ah, one number. Battery recharge time is 6 hours. Can recharge 90% of battery capacity. Maximum backup time is 10 to 50 minutes at battery full charge condition. Depending on the brand, power consumption of the computer, variations may occur. Then these are the details of this UPS. You can see the consumer complaint number and all. And in the side you can see that the here written the microcontroller based PWM MOSFET technology, inbuilt ZPD technology, intelligent no load shutdown facility, automatic voltage regulator, provide wide input range. The silent features also include cold start facility, battery overcharge, deep discharge protection, etc. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos like this, subscribe Engineers Well Online, and the service appline is also shown in this V-Guard UPS. Okay, for turning on this UPS, you must connect this end to your switch board like this. You can connect like this. After that you turn on the switch, and now you also turn on this UPS like this, and now it is charging. Now it is charging. This UPS is charging. So you can charge up to 4 devices. You can connect the power cord, then one connected to the monitor, etc. on the back side of this UPS like this. Here also we can connect. Hope you enjoy this video. For more videos like this, subscribe Engineers Well Online. Thank you.